To me, skateboarding is my therapy, and it's kind of my thing. I think in life, everybody needs a thing, something that they can put their heart into, their blood, sweat, and tears. I think that as an adult, I just really couldn't imagine what my life would be like if I didn't find that piece of wood with a couple wheels, you know? Skate Like a Girl is a nonprofit organization. We have 3 chapters in Seattle, Portland, and the Bay Area. Compared to other summer camps, I think we are different because we put a lot of intentionality behind what we do with youth. We can bring people in through the sport of skateboarding and get them excited and have fun and build community, but also talk about really complex social issues that, you know, can positively impact the world. Here at Skate Like a Girl, we low-key use Jotform for everything. One of the main ways is for summer camp registrations. With our summer camp registration forms, we collect everything from the kid's name, their pronouns, see which kids need to borrow gear, which kids are beginner, intermediate, or advanced. It allows us to see kids that have medical or behavioral issues our coaches need to be aware of. It just has totally streamlined the process and just made it really simple and easy for us to print out all the documents we need to put in our camp binder. In the past, we had to print out and transfer manually all of the camper information. Being a small organization just really didn't work for us because we were constantly missing paperwork or somebody didn't pay. We had parents showing up with their form printed out and a check, and then our coaches are handling money, which isn't their job description. Their job description is to provide a really wonderful camp. You know, being a camp counselor for years and putting my heart into skateboarding and working with youth, like, I want to spend more time in doing that and less time behind the computer and pulling my hair out. So I would say for small to medium nonprofits, which is the majority of nonprofits are our size, I would highly recommend Jotform. It's not only that it's way cheaper, but also we're able to customize it, we're able to update things. All those little things just really help me feel like I'm in the driver's seat and I'm kind of in control of all of the registration and kind of know what's happening, but I also didn't need a tremendous tech background. It just saves us time and resources, which as a nonprofit, we just want to spend more time doing the important work that we do, working with the kids, impacting lives, having fun. We want to spend more time doing that and less time and resources on additional software and additional staff time. We're Skate Like a Girl, based in Seattle, Washington, and we use Jotform.